Where's that dish go? Motherfucker is on it now. RPG West Side. No, I don't see anything.
At least we got these fucking trucks to block us.
Yeah, I'm just kind of weary of what's inside the trucks.
Yeah.
Like fucking fuel truck.
Like that right there?
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and speed past this one.
Yeah, don't stop near any fuel trucks. I don't want to fucking end up in black smoke like that.
Damn, it's a big fire.
Yep.
You taking a video?
Yeah, I got the video on.
Sinclair, you got a camera? Huh? You got a camera?
Holy shit, that is fucking huge. Yeah, I don't think they survived that, whoever was in there.
Yeah, probably not.
West South. Stop here, do not go near that fucking fuel truck.
Yeah, I see him moving.
Yeah, I see him moving. It's 4 horsemen, it's not A&A. Oh yeah, they're in contact. Hey, Sinclair, move up, move up, move up. All right, stop. Sinclair, west side.
You got a good view?
Hey, can you see?
Get on the west side of the road, straight up there where you start firing from. That's good, sir. Actually, you got these fires in the west side. Second foremost.
It's just west.
West side, they didn't say where.
We're in contact, 550 meters.
It's a lot closer to 550.
It's closer than that, but yeah.
It's somewhere in the green zone. 4-3, Roger.
You got a good enough view?
Come on.
Shit. Oh, yeah, something just blew.
Friendly fire, friendly fire.
Alright. Hey, move up.
Where at?
Just go up. Fucking, they're moving up. Alright. Just try not to bunch up when we're down here.
Where do you want to go? They just stop right there.
They just stop right there. Alright, just get in front so you can get a view. Listen, Claire can see what the fuck's going on.
Right here?
No, keep going. Alright. Hold up. Go up on the road a little. Hold. Stop. Roger. Hey.